How to view private Twitter account without following. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view private Twitter account without following. Now if you open up app, you'll get an interface like this, and if you wanna head into a certain profile and the account is private, you won't be able to see much of the information. Now to be able to do so, you'll have to follow it. However, now if you don't want to follow it, what you can do is simply, now the trick here is, what you want to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left corner of the screen, and then tap on the three dots option that you can see. And here what you want to do is either create a new account. Now what you want to do is create a dummy account or create a fake account, and what you can do is log into that account and then follow them through that profile, follow the private account through that fake or dummy account, and then you can be able to view it through that account without having to follow them through your main account. Now if you already have account or fake account or second account, what you can do is simply tap on add an existing account, and you can add another account, and then you can view it, follow them through that account, follow the private account through that account, and then view it from there. This is the safest and the only way to view a private Twitter account. Now if you wanna head into any third-party apps and websites, and if you see any third-party apps and websites, I wouldn't recommend you to do so, because this might set your account to be banned or any other security issues might come up. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.